Hello everyone. Today I am showing in the one topological error to find out in the in this tool. Okay, so the tool name is Check Geometry. Okay, so at first I have to use in two data. This is the lines data for sample line data, and this is the polygon data. Okay, so how to identify the overshoot the line of the polygon? So how to identify? Okay, so today I have to use in the check geometry checker and then find out on the overshoot of the line in this polygon. Okay, so at first go to in the vector and then click in the check geometric and check geometric checker panel to be open. uh, then you have to select some points. At first you have to click in the input vector layer. Input vector layer, select in the line layer. Okay, so then you have to follow in the allow geometry type. Okay, this is the line layer, so you have to check in the line. Okay, then geometry validity, this is optional, you do not have to any checkbox. And geometry properties also not necessary. And geometry condition, you do not have to check in any box. And you have to go in the topology check. Okay, and here is the one option you have to shown, line must not intersect with features of the layer. Okay, you have to check box in the line must not to intersect with features of the layer, and you have to select in the polygon layer. Okay, because we have to mark it in the overshoot of the polygon layer. Okay, so that's why you have to select in the polygon layer. Okay. Then you have to follow in the output vector layer. I have to select in the modify input layer. You have to others option, create a new layers. You have to select in the create a new layer. And then when you have to select in create a new layer, then you have to source in the destination point to select in the browse, and then you have to select in a one selected folder. Okay, so I have to click in the modify input layer, and then you have to click in the run button. Okay, when it is the run bottom click, then you have to show in the result. And here is the geometry check result. Here is the some columns here, some row here, some columns already filled. So you have to click in the error section box, that is the intersection. Okay, you have to click in the intersection. So you have to shown in the QGIS software to showing in the uh, this portion to be overshoot on the AY of the polygon. Okay, uh, so you have to click in the other portion. This is the second portion of the overshoot on the AY in polygon. Okay, so this is the process. You have to click in the intersection point and you have to identify which portion to overshoot in the AY of the boundary. Okay, so this is the very helpful to how to check in the overshoot to AY in your data. So I have to use in the check geometry checker tool, and then to showing in the this error. Okay, so thank you. I think this video is the very helpful for us. In anything doubt, any clarification, please ping to me and comments box in this video section. Okay, so thank you so much.